Just so there's no confusion, just about a month ago we uploaded a video to TikTok where we stuck unnecessary things inside of a turbo. It was a good idea. We uploaded it to TikTok and it got almost 1 million views, but we never uploaded it to YouTube, so we saw that Cletus put a banana in one, so we might as well go ahead and upload it to YouTube. Yeah. So YouTube is what we do. This is all we do. We need you to help us and give us a subscribe and, you know, support the channel because
a like and a subscribe.
A like and a subscribe. So if you could just do that and help us out a little bit, that would be awesome. The last time I met Cletus, like, I said the dumbest shit. Like a full day of racing, and then I went and said hi and said like something that didn't make any sense. So sorry about that, Cletus.
Episode 1 of Turbo Glizzy.
I'm gonna just get it a few times. Keep going. Get that spool. Right. Oh, no. Damn it. Ow. Okay, stop. Stop. I hit the camera. Okay. Ready?
You got some?
Yeah.
Just feed it in.
Okay.
That was hilarious.
Oh yes! Dude, look at all this shredded hot dog.
Alright. Yes! The whole thing went through.
Oh my god.
It just sat there and then...
Can we like do this?
Initiate Glizzy.
I want it to be like in there.
Fucking nasty. It's like a little kazoo. Chopping stuff with the turbo. This is called poached turbo. Keep going, keep going, keep going!
Dude, that shit was floating.
Yeah!
That was cool.
Okay, I just kind of like set that one in there. Go ahead. Got egg everywhere, damn it. Yeah. It's time to wash out the turbo. This is the turbo tater cannon.
Let's just go ahead.
Okay. That's scary, dude. Yeah. Why? All right. That's all of it.